In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments for task handoffs. Being able to hand off a task smoothly is essential for keeping your work organized and your team aligned. Comments are one of the simplest and most effective ways to do that, as long as you use them clearly and consistently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to leave a helpful comment on a task so the next person knows what to do, what's already been done, and where things stand. Let's start by opening a task. Go into your workspace or project management tool and navigate to the specific task you want to hand off. This might be a task that you've just finished, something you need help with, or an item you're delegating to someone else. Make sure you're on the detailed view of the task, where you can see information like the title, description, due date, and assignee. This is important because your comment will be linked directly to this task, so everything stays in one place. Once you have the task open, look for the comment option. This is usually labeled comment and is often found near the bottom of the task window or alongside other actions like edit, attach, or change status. Click on comment to open the comment box. This is where you'll write out the information needed for a proper handoff. Now type your comment. Think of this as your mini handover note. Be clear and specific. For example, you might include what you've already completed, what still needs to be done, any blockers or issues you've run into, and what you expect from the person picking up the task. If it helps, you can also reference files, links, or relevant details already in the task. Keep your tone professional but friendly, and avoid assuming that the other person already knows the background. A good rule of thumb is, if someone new joined the project today, would they understand what to do after reading this comment? When you're happy with what you've written, go ahead and click on Submit. This saves your comment to the task and makes it visible to your team. At this point, the handoff is documented. If your tool supports notifications or mentions, the person responsible for the next step will typically get alerted automatically, which helps prevent delays or confusion. By following these steps every time you hand off a task, you make your workflow more transparent, reduce back and forth messages, and help your team move faster with fewer misunderstandings.